Welcome to A Stellar Perspective, where we reflect on today's topic through the lens of faith. There's a thick cloud of recent around the discussion concerning AI and its ethics, with it having passed the Turing test this very year. And the Turing test is simply a test that was proposed by one Alan Turing, and he suggested that if an AI could convince you that it is a human being, or if a computer could get to that level for which it could convince you that it is sentient and a human being with the ability to understand emotion and what you feel, or assume like it experiences the things you're experiencing, then it has passed that test. And without a doubt, the things ChatGPT alone is doing of recent are really astounding. If you think of the fact that today it can read emotions from people's voice, and it can notice that the person is, like the user is frustrated or angry, or just by understanding the things you speak, it's obviously not having the feelings, but it is well capable enough to convince someone that it is alive. I would ask you this way: try getting into a conversation with ChatGPT and tell it to convince you that it is human. You might most likely believe whatever it will use. That is how good it has gotten. So then, have you already created a soul? Because when you think of what this means, we would ideally think that what makes us human is the soul that we carry in us, that thing that just can't be described but adds an extra tone to what it means to be human. And if AI can perfectly reproduce that, does it make it a soul just waiting for a body? What is going to be the future? What is going to be the future 100 years from now with these things being made? Tesla is focusing more on building humanoid robots. So if they are made and such systems are loaded into them, where will we draw the line on what deserves all the privileges of being human and what doesn't? And then if they also get to a point where they assume to give reverence to their creator, who do they offer it to? Is it to us or to the one that commanded us to procreate? Are they part of the assignment we were given to procreate? I think these are important questions, and this is something that we can take some time and all think about. I'd love to hear your thought on this down in the comment section, or you can just make a post with the hashtag #AstellarInsight and we'll be in touch.